Hi. In this slide, we're going to start looking at what programs are available for graphical programming interface or GPI. The top one is probably going to be Dynamo because it is Revit, but it's not the original. It all came out of a program called Grasshopper, and that is probably the market lead in a lot of different areas. Why? Because it is so rich and it's been around longer, therefore it's gained a lot more interfaces. But Dynamo is the one that people go to because it's within Revit. And then there's Marionette, which is probably a subset of Grasshopper, and I find very easy to use. Much the same sort of protocols as all the other two. So why use it? Well, as I said in the previous slide, it takes the effort out of having to put text-based code down and trying to follow complicated programs, which is just a heap of text that you've got to wade through. With a GPI, you could just look at it and understand it. Is it used outside of CAD? The answer is yes. If you go to a school, a junior school, that's the way they teach programming. If you look at low-level programming where you want to put up something quick and easy, then it is not the default, but it's well considered to be useful. But when you go up as the high end of programming, big, complicated, very sophisticated programs, then they don't generally use this sort of programming. So it's meant for the likes of us who are not that big on programming. We look at it as being very useful, very easy to see, very easy to manipulate, and above all, easy to read.